my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, so if you are new here, welcome to the channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, part already of my Diva family, welcome back. Guys, today is Tablescape Sunday. And as you know, we host Tablescape Sunday bi-weekly. And this week's host is Cynthia of Cynthia Shesobless. Now the other co-hosts are the other part of Diva's Dynasty group, which is Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing, and me, Geraldine, Diva Decorating. Okay, loves, so if you haven't been on any of these ladies' channel, please go over and show them some love. I think you will like what you see. Each and every one of these ladies offer a lot on their channel. They do shopping hauls, they do cook with me, they do glam DIYs, of course tablescapes, and a lot more. I think you will find everything you want on each of these ladies' channels, including mine as well. Okay, so let me get this out the way. If you are not already a part of the Diva Decorating family, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button now, okay? I would love to have you part of the family. Okay, guys, so the rules that Miss Cynthia wanted for this Sunday's Tablescape was she wanted you to create a tablescape using dollar stores items or things around your house, or it could be a no spend, okay? And she wanted you to either choose a glam tablescape to do or a farmhouse tablescape to do. She said you could use whatever colors you wanted and whatever style that you wanted to use, okay? Now the upload time is our usual standard time, which is 12 a.m., which would be on Sunday, May 31st, 2020. She wants you to title your video hashtag Dollar Stores Tablescape Glam or Farmhouse Tablescape 2020. Of course, you must mention the host and the co-host in your video and add their links to their channel in your description box. And she just wanted you to have some glam or farmhouse fun. Now I will put the playlist, as I always do, down in my description box, so you can go down there and you can click on the playlist, or you can add your video to the playlist. Okay, now the dollar stores that she said you could choose from, you could choose anything from Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General, any of those dollar stores, okay? So now, before I get into my tablescape, let me just tell you a little bit about it, and then I'll show you what I've done, and then I'll come back at the end and explain the process of how I put my tablescape together. Now, the theme and the title of my tablescape is Glam Black Ice Tablescape, okay? I've never done an all black tablescape before, so this is a first for me. I love using the color black. It's one of my favorite colors, and I think you're going to love this tablescape. I know I love it. So as you know, I chose glam, okay? So I'm going to quit talking and rambling, and I'm going to just go on and show you what I came up with. Okay, loves. So my black ice tablescape, Glam black ice tablescape, should I say, starts with a plastic black tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. And I must say, this is a very affordable glam look, guys. You can use any color. It doesn't have to be black. You can use any color of the rainbow to pull this look off, and it will be very economical as well, okay? Everything on the table I already had. I just shopped my house, and I came up with this tablescape, okay? So, let's see, the placemat is a DIY, and you've seen this before if you've been on my channel, and it is a glittered, oh, let me move this plate, there we go, it is a glittered placemat just made out of cardboard with some silver trim going around it, okay, which I picked up from Joann Fabric. Okay, so I've had this for a while. I only have two. I have yet to make two more. The silver charger is from Dollar Tree, and it is glittered as well. I don't know if you can see that real good. Guys, it's been raining here today, so excuse me if the light is not up to par. I didn't bring out my ring light. I thought it would be enough light, so excuse me if there's not enough light, okay? And the plate set is also from the Dollar Tree, as well as the saucer. Now the napkin, the black napkin, I believe is from either eFavorMart or the other online store, Tablecloth Factory, yeah. I always forget that one, Tablecloth Factory. I've just recently started purchasing table items from them, and I'm really liking their table items. And the napkin ring is from eFavorMart, and I decided to put it in a bow fold. I usually don't use this fold, but I think it's very pretty, and I decided to do that for the napkin. And for my silverware, I just have the silver plastic silverware from the Dollar Tree. And if I didn't tell you, the napkin ring is kind of like a black silvery. It gives off a shimmer like a black silvery color. And I just have my Dollar Tree wine glass here, and I decided to use some of my Christmas ornaments that I had in silver glitter, and I just adorned the bottom of the glass with that. Thought that was real cute. Each place setting is the same. Right here I have my black ice, which is where I got the name from. And I just have it going down like in a little pattern, going down to the edge of the table. In front of that, I have my salt and pepper shaker, and I've had these for a while, and they are silver. The other place setting is the same. Over here, I have a jar Yankee candle, and it is black. I only have one of them. I wish I had two. And I had picked this up from a store called Ollie's that we have here. And I've had this for a couple of years, maybe 2 years now. And guys, just a little tip. This is actually a fall candle. And what I usually do if I want to use a candle that's off season, like a Christmas candle for fall or fall candle for spring or summer, what I do is remove the label because it's just for decor anyway. So if it fits with my decor, I just remove the label, and I still know the scent because it is at the bottom of the jar, and it is Pumpkin Twilight. And right here, guys, this is a DIY, and it is a monstera leaf, which you can use for a island or a Hawaiian theme. And I DIY'd that, and I'm actually going to do a tutorial in the next day or so, so make sure you look out for that. And this is the Glam one. It is the glitter one, but I also will have a tutorial on how to do a natural looking one. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And I just decided to set my candle jar on there. Now guys, the centerpiece is something that I came up with. These black feathers here, I already had those. I had it up in my bedroom, and I stole them out of there and decided to put them in my centerpiece for my tablescape. I also added some white Dollar Tree flowers and those black DIY Dollar Tree flowers. And I just have this vase here. I don't know whether I purchased this vase from Burlington or Home Goods. I don't remember now. I'm going to try to lift it up and see. I believe it is from Burlington, guys, and it was $10.99, originally $22. And I've had that for quite a while. And it is a mirror mosaic vase. And I love using this vase. It is so glam. And as I said, all the place settings are the same. And in the chair, I decided to put a Glam pillow, which is the sequence. It is white on the front, white and sequence silver, and on the back it is black. So I decided to put those in the chairs. So guys, I hope you like my black ice tablescape. Thanks to all my co-hosts, and thank you for coming and watching. Don't forget to watch everybody's video on the playlist. Show them some love. Go over and see their ideas and their inspiration, whether they did the Glam, whether they did the Farmhouse, or somebody did both. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.